Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. I know my voice is still a little weird, but I could not put this off. I had to get up here and unbox the first ever Hank and Henry subscription box. It's his first, and it was due out July 1st, and we're getting them a little early, and I can't wait to get in here and see what we're going to get. I heard about this through Elizabeth Wolf, who, if you're not following, you should be. I'll try and link her below. It was $37 plus $7.99 shipping and handling, so $44.99. And it's going to be a bi-monthly box. This first box is supposed to be all of his favorite products. And in the future, we will get new releases that haven't been released to the public yet. So I can't wait to see what he's going to do. But let's get in here and see what I've got. So I didn't put all my makeup on today. I left no eyeshadow and no lips in case we're lucky enough to get in here and have any of that to play with, because although I have always wanted Hank and Henry, I have never owned any of it. So I had to go out and do a bunch of research so I'd be able to tell you guys about these products. And depending on what we got, I knew I'd want to play with them right away. Oh, I forgot to mention also, these ship internationally. The shipping is $13.99 for those. Okay, so when we open it up, Hank and Henry, and this is what it looks like. Have a paper on top with a nice letter. Oh, and the back tells us what we've got. And then buried in here, I guess, is our goodies. Be yourself, create magic, pay it forward. We are the Night Owls. XO, Hank and Henry. Well, let's see what this nice little letter says, since it's his very first subscription box. My dearest Night Owls, words cannot describe how much I appreciate and love you. This first box is our best of Hank and Henry Beauty and will include our top sellers and customer favorites. I'm so excited to start this new journey with you. Much love. And then this is what we're getting. Okay, let's get in here and see what we've got. I'm going to dig through this paper. Oh, and if you take it off, you can see the products in there. I am so excited. I've wanted to try these products for so long, and I just keep not buying them. So this was just perfect. Okay, let's see what we've got. I have the My Alter Ego Eye Kit. I read about these, and this is in El Jefe. I think this is the very, very dark one. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty the top of that is. Can you see the pretty glitter and the owl? Oh my goodness. This is black and deep, deep gray. These palettes have one matte, one pressed pearl, and underneath they have one what they call luster light, which is the loose pearl basically. And it's a powder, and it's just in the bottom of the container. I'm going to keep going and not swatch this one in, because this is very dark, and I may pass this along because I don't know that I will ever use that dark black. I might. That looks kind of fun. It's a pretty mirror. I don't want to blind you out with the mirror. But that's the first Alter Ego palette. So when I got the box yesterday, since I didn't know a lot about the products, I went online to read a little bit about them and I made a few notes. And the eyeshadows are infused with vitamin E and contain anti-aging properties and can be worn wet or dry. And they're vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, free of all of the things you don't want. And these palettes are $37. So one palette equals the cost of the entire box that we have. So basically, everything else I open is free. Okay, I'm going to leave that there in case I decide to pass it along, and we will move on. There's another one in here, so let's see what this one is. This is the King's Queen. Let's see what that means. I wish I had studied the colors more. I don't know yet. This one's more me. So pretty. It's kind of an orange and a pearlized kind of bronze or rose gold look. And the luster light in this is, oh, it's, girl, it is just gold. Flat out gold. How pretty is she? This is definitely the one we'll be playing with at the end. I just flipped this over and it tells me on the back, the King's Queen is the luster light loose pearls on the bottom. So that's what the name of the palette is. And the pressed pearls on top are Oh Betch. And the Magi Matte, which is this, is Privileged. Let's go back and look at that other set. I'm going to totally get these wrong. So the bottom is El Jefe. The pressed pearls is El Jefe, so that's the color of the palette. And then on the inside, we have the pressed pearl, which is this one, is Chingona. Somebody can help me with that who has better Spanish than me. And the dark black one is Si Se Puede. So, okay, let's see what we have next. Next, we have the Lip Aesthetic Matte Liquid Lipstick in Petal Pusher. And that is what the sticker looks like. Let's get in here and see what we got. I am just so excited about all of this. I see like 3 more things in there. How gorgeous is that? It looks like lipstick, but it's got a doe foot, but it just looks like a regular lipstick. So cool. Oh, and it smells so good. I'm going to swatch it on my hand because I think I have more in there judging from box size, and I'm not sure which one I want to put on my lip yet. It's really smooth and gives good coverage, and that's the color. So pretty. I am loving these. And it says right on it, Petal Pusher, so that'll help me remember that. I took notes on these too. Let's see what this says. The Lip Aesthetic Matte Liquid is a $17 lipstick. It is smooth, long-wearing, transfer-resistant, non-tacky, lightweight, anti-aging, highly pigmented, and is a full-coverage matte, but won't dry you out. And it says it smells like cake frosting. It does. It smells fantastic. Let's pick something else that looks kind of like it in here. This is a Lip Luster Gloss in Presidential. Well, that's fun. I am so glad to be finally trying these products. I can't even tell you. Okay. Oh, look how pretty. Another one, same look. They're so pretty. The packaging on these is killer. All right, let's get this out. And yeah, it's just a gloss that if I turn to the side, I can see the gold in it. The doe foot doesn't seem to pick up a lot, which is actually kind of nice. Let's see if I can show you guys. Can you see this gold right next to it? That's so pretty. I love it. Okay, let's see what I wrote down about the lip luster. The lip luster is $18. It is scented with spearmint. Oh, we didn't sniff it. I assumed it was a cake smell. Oh, it is spearminty. Oh, that's very nice. Instantly, I wanted to put it on my lips. It is infused with vitamin E and honeysuckle extract and is a non-sticky, and you can use it alone or over lipstick. Let's see what's next. Next, I have another Lip Aesthetic Matte Liquid Lip in Comadre. That's the color and the name of the lipstick. Tell me below how you say that or what it means. These are so pretty. Oh, this is a nice nude. Look how pretty she is. Love it. Let's get to swatching it. Sniff it. Yep, cake again. Oh, this is a real wearable nude. Very nice. So pretty. And that's it right here. This is the Comadre. This was the Petal Pusher, and in between we had the Presidential Lip Gloss. Those are so pretty. Well, we'll see what happens with my eyes before I decide which lip to use. One last box. I wonder what it is. Stick With It Mascara Duo. I read about this, and I'm so glad I did because it's so interesting. It is a double-ended mascara. One brush for your top lashes and one for your lower lashes. How cool is that? So you have 2 sticks. This is the one for your upper lash, and it's just a regular, smells like mascara. And it's just got a regular brush on it. And the other end is a teeny thin brush to use on your bottom lashes. I am so excited about this because I try and use my big brushes and then I end up with it all over my face. And that piece in the middle is kind of like a gunmetal. It's so pretty. Okay, I made notes about the mascara too. I made notes about all the products because I wasn't sure what was going to be in here, so I can tell you anything you'd like to know about Hank and Henry right now. The mascara is Stick With It is $19. It is a long-wearing waterproof mascara that won't flake or transfer and has brushes for upper and lower lid. and it won't smudge on the lower lid. So I am all about that. I think that is it. It is. Our box is empty. So we got 2 of the Hank and Henry Alter Ego eyeshadow palettes. We got 2 of the Lip Aesthetic Lip Matte Lips. We got 1 of the Luster Lips Gloss. And we got 1 of his Duo Mascaras. Very cool. This was $37. Got like 5 times the value of the box. That is incredible. And this is an awesome first box and a great way to try his products, and I can't wait. I have a little mirror down here, and I brought up my brushes. And I thought I would play a little bit with, and I'm going to use this palette here. That is the King's Queen. And I just thought I would put just a little bit of this on. As you are soon to find out, I am not a makeup artist. I am just going to use a little blender brush, and I'm going to use this orange kind of as a transition. We'll just give it a couple good taps, and we'll see how much color I get. I hope you guys are getting this. It's so pretty. I was afraid that with this orange, with my super cool skin, that it just wouldn't wear nicely. But I think it actually is. I hope you guys can see that. It's so pretty. Let's do the other eye. I've often wondered how people carry on conversations and put their makeup on. I, a very long time ago, did that 5-minute get ready with me. And talking and doing makeup, not my skill set. Got a little higher on that one. It's kind of like when you're a kid. You cut your bangs and you have to keep making them shorter to make them straight. I keep ending up with higher and darker pigment on my eye to try and make them match. It's close enough. So I hope you guys can see that. And this is the matte that's called Privilege. And now I'm going to use the Obetch all over my lid. I'm going to do a real basic eye look here. Because like I said, as you guys can tell, I am not a makeup artist. So pretty. Has great color. You guys getting the shine on that? I hope so. Wow, I'm telling you what, that was just, watch, a couple taps and you get a full lid of color. The pigment in these and the blendability is awesome. How pretty is that? So pretty. I'm gonna go back into this orange just with one little tap and bring it kind of in on my side here. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Would normally spend a lot more time on my eyes than this, but you guys are going to get bored. Now, let's get into this bottom and see what we got. So in case I haven't mentioned it, they say the box will have a $130 value. This one has a $145 value. Here's the card. We'll spend a little time looking at the card if you'd like, now that I've shown you all of the things. But that's so pretty. All right, let's just take our my finger. This is just a loose sparkles. And I'm just going to hit right. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, I hope you are getting that. It is so, it takes like nothing. I'm sure this would probably be better if I took the time to cut my crease or to use some glitter glue. But oh, I really hope you can tell that. I know it's not the best eyeshadow application ever, but it was fun and it is gorgeous. I mean, that was like a 2-minute shadow application. Love it. Okay, now to pick a lip. I have the more nude and I have the more pink. And I lean to the more pink because of my skin tone, but I'm thinking the nude with these eyes. What are you thinking? Are you out there saying, Catherine, pink? Oh no. Let's try. Oh, this is nude. Oh wow, this is nude. That is seriously skin tone nude. I hope you guys can see that. It's a really pretty color. I bet there are other skin tones that it's a little better on than mine. I still think it's cute. I think it's a nice overall look. It's kind of warm, but like in the fall, this would be such a gorgeous look. All right, guys, so that is the very first Hank and Henry subscription box, and I could not be happier. I have two great eyeshadow palettes that I'm definitely going to keep this one. I'm going to think about the darker palette. My initial instinct is to pass it along, but come winter, a nice dark smoky eye, I mean, the pigments in these are gorgeous. I mean, my eyes look decent, and I just literally spent 2 minutes doing it. That, you can't beat that. And these lips are fantastic. And the lip gloss and the mascara. I don't have bottom mascara on. Let's try the little baby bottom stick. It's so cute. So once I have worn these lips for a while, I will tell you in one of my upcoming videos how the lips wear. This is so easy to do and not get on your skin. Fabulous. Thanks for coming by, guys. I appreciate you guys being here so much. And let me know, do you have Hank and Henry products? Have you tried them? Am I the last person alive that hasn't tried Hank and Henry? It's possible. I understand. I will see you all really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll see when my next video comes out. And have a great week, guys. Bye.